We have a floor cleaning today, and this is porcelain tile. And you can see the grout lines are really almost non-existent. They're very narrow, and they do not have mortar visible in between the grout lines. So this poses a problem for many companies like Stanley Steamer that come to your house and deep clean the floor. It doesn't pose a problem for us because we're using an orbital machine. And you have to think how well the cleaning is going to come out if you called Stanley Steamer. How much soil can you remove? Because they're going to inject about 500 to 1,000 psi of water and essentially sort of pressure wash the floors, and then they're going to use their spinner and suck it back up. Well, with this method, this is a low moisture method. We can not only deep clean the floor, we can buffer the floor, and we can essentially polish the floor all in one cleaning. And I'm going to demonstrate that here. If you look right there how dirty the floor is, this is after mopping. We mop first. We mop our solution down, and we also get the edges and underneath the cabinets and those areas where the buffer would have trouble, right? Our buffer is circular, just like the spinner at Stanley Steamers is circular. So right here, we're using a microfiber pad to do a dry polish on the floor. We already deep cleaned the floor. You saw how much soil we removed from the floor with the hog's hair pad with the microfiber towel. Now we are doing a polishing effect. So we're going to bring a little bit more shine. Usually I use a white pad for this, but microfiber will work too. So we got rid of all those soil stains, the dinginess of the floor. And this floor wasn't that dingy, but it needed a little TLC. It needed to be restored just a tad bit. And we're increasing the natural shine of the floor. The floors are going to look great when we're done. Customer's happy. And this is the only company that provides such a service in Tallahassee.